In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch the Clue app to metric units on your iPhone. Making sure your app displays measurements in a format you're comfortable with can make tracking clearer and more consistent. Whether you're focusing on body temperature, weight, or other measurements within Clue, metric units will present values in Celsius, kilograms, and centimeters where applicable, so everything lines up with what you expect. Go ahead and open the Clue app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load to the main screen. You'll make this change right from within the app's settings, so there's no need to close or relaunch anything once you start. At the top right corner of the screen, look for the menu icon. It appears as two horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Tap that to open the app's main menu. This panel is where Clue keeps your account options and app preferences, so it's the right place for any tweaks to how information is shown. Next, tap Settings. The Settings area is the hub for personalization, things like notifications, privacy, and in this case, how units are displayed. Opening Settings puts all of these preferences in one easy place. Inside Settings, tap Units. This section is dedicated to measurement formats. It's designed to be simple and direct, so you can choose what makes the most sense for how you read and interpret your health data. Now tap Metric. The moment you select Metric, Clue switches the display to metric measurements, such as Celsius for temperature and kilograms for weight, wherever those appear in the app. This change is about presentation only. It doesn't alter your underlying data. If you've logged information previously, it will simply be shown in metric terms going forward, keeping your history intact and consistent. There's no extra button to press here. Changes will automatically save. That means once you've chosen metric, you're done. You can back out of settings at your own pace, and the app will remember your preference the next time you open it. As you move through the app after this, you'll notice the unit labels reflect your new selection, which helps keep everything easy to scan and understand. And that's all it takes. You opened the Clue app, went into the menu, navigated to settings, selected units, and chose metric with your change saved automatically. With this quick adjustment in place, your tracking experience should feel more aligned with how you prefer to read your measurements, making your data easier to review and compare over time.